It's Wednesday, August 10th, 2022, and I've got a order out, a signal out, and an order for CL, and I'm just waiting for that to get filled. And but I have no signal today on ESNQYM because it made a radical move up really super fast, and this makes the code that I'm using much more risky, so I don't want to play it today. But it'll probably win, but it makes it really risky because the stop is really big. So I don't like it. And it's not normally like that, so I'm making the call not to play this one today. But I am going to play CL, and it should do well. Should be able to get 100 ticks on it, maybe more. And that's all I've got for today. Everything else just doesn't look good because of the move it made so quickly. This is the 1 minute chart. You can see in just 1 minute. What is that? That's like the 7:30 a.m. exactly. It just made this radical move up, from 37 all the way up to 87 in 1 minute, 1 minute time. So this makes it much more risky to take code-wise, because some of them win, but also some of them lose. And if you lose, it's a big loss. So not a good thing to risk at this point. Better just wait for another day, a regular day will come, like tomorrow. Anyway, gonna play oil. I'll be back. Okay, oil has got me in long here. Going for 100 ticks right now. I might back that off. It just depends on how much it moves. I'll come back. The market is running a bit tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait till it gets 50 ticks ahead. Got to go up to 97 to do that. I'm in at 47. Got to go to 97. As soon as it does, I'm going to place a lock-in break-even stop on it. Depending upon where it's at and what it looks like on the chart and everything, there's a possibility I might not do that. If it were to shoot up really quickly right now, for instance, I might not do it. But if it takes a little bit longer, how much longer? A little bit longer, like another 10 minutes, I can go ahead and do it. I'll be back. Or if it just shoots up, period, and goes even more than 50, then I'm going to place the break-even stop. Okay, it's at target now. Just watching it here for a moment, and I'll go ahead and prepare it. I'm in at 89.47, so we can put it at 89.52. 89.52. Take a look at it on the chart. 89.52, I'm in at 89.47. Let's just watch it for a moment here. See what it wants to do. Is it going to press up even higher or start coming down? Let me see, how many ticks are we looking at right now? 45. And I'm looking at, hey, it just changed it on me. I didn't even notice. And it didn't change it on me. Okay, 89.52, just watching it for a second. It definitely breaks 90. I'm going to place it for sure. Just want to see how it acts. Like, it might pull back a little bit here first and then move back up. Or it might just keep going. If it just keeps going, I'm going to place it. If it pulls back, I'm going to let it pull back a little bit. So very, very early in on the signal right now, and it hasn't really shot up very much. If it were to shoot up, then I want to place it, just in case it happens to reverse. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, it just went over 90 right there. I'm going to go ahead and place it. 89.52. Okay, in place. Now we're going for either 100 ticks or break even. I'll come back. The reason why I'm forced to play like this is because the market is rather tight. And, a lot of times it's going to move, it's just going to keep going. If it's going to reverse, then, That could be all it's going to go. So don't want to take a lot of risk right now in a choppy, tight market. Okay, so basically at this point, I'm either going to make nothing today or I'll make $1,000, one of the two, whichever comes first, nothing or 1,000. But the good thing is that I've got a good chance to make $1,000 today, and no chance to lose. Well, I shouldn't say no chance, but virtually no chance to lose. Mathematically, I have no real chance to lose, but who knows what could happen in the market. But I mean, under circumstances, 99.9% of the time, I've got no chance to lose here. I'd like to go to Vegas and have a chance to make $1,000, like maybe play a hand or something, some type of game, or whatever. Just one thing, one time. You got a chance to make $1,000, or make nothing, but you don't lose anything. A free chance to make money, I changed the sell stop to 89.55 just to give it a little bit more of a buffer, because it goes off at market, and you don't want it to. I don't want to lose on the trade, so give it more of a buffer so there's much less of a chance of that to happen. Okay, I'm going to put a 10 tick buffer on it just in case. Put it at 57. I know it seems like something really small, but it could come down really fast and then give me a bad fill at market. So just don't want to take any unnecessary risk. I mean, if it's going to come down now, then I just want to, just take it and get out. No chance of a loss here. 10 tick buffer should be all right. Because you got to pay for your trade, plus, don't want to lose. CL starting to make a little bit of a move up here. Just needed to go to 46 to get me out. CL getting close. Almost there. 800. Just needs to go to 1,000. Just needs to go to 46. Alright, let's go ahead and lock in 50. This will be 89.97. So 89.97. Update it. Alright, so now no matter what happens, we got 50 ticks locked in, which is $500. And so it'll either make it to 1,000 now or to 500, whichever comes first. So now, unlike before, we had a chance to make it or lose nothing. Now we're for sure going to make 500 or roughly 500, and still have a chance to make 1,000. So you see how this isn't hard to do if you just play the market mathematically without emotion. You could do quite well. Okay, almost there. Almost hit it. What did it go up to? It went up to 42. Okay, there it goes. I'm out. Okay, so ended up making 985 on that one. So you see, there you go. Not too hard to make money at the market. Just need to have the right system, which I have, and then play it right, which I'm just trying to show you how to do that now. I'm going to come out with a video for some beginners, teach you how to do all the orders and everything like that. I'm going to do that real soon. But I'm just showing you in general how to play the market. It's not hard to do, but you need to be disciplined, of course, at all times. Anyway, I'll be back with more videos, more trades, more signals, and tomorrow should be a lot better day. Of course, Friday should be better. And after this month, the market will pick back up again, be better in general. Anyway, I'll be back. Happy trading.